वेलकम टू मार्केट एनालिसिस एंड केआर इज बैक लुक्स लाइक सो हम लोग चालू करते हैं निफ्टी की एनालिसिस के साथ एंड दिस इज द डेली चार्ट एज यू कैन सी सो टुडेस डे वाज ऑनेस्टली क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग मेरे हिसाब से बिकॉज हम लोग क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी बड़ा कैंडल था एंड द लास्ट टाइम दैट वी सॉ अ कैंडल दिस बिग इन टर्म्स ऑफ द साइज ऑफ द बॉडी वाज ऑन 17 सितंबर और उसके बाद ये वाला था गैप डाउन बट देन आई थिंक बॉडी के हिसाब से नहीं काउंट होता सो टुडे okay today if we would have counted the move to till the low then we can see around 300 point के आसपास होता which is very 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 big obviously and ultimately it was able to recover around 150 to 200 points and managed to close above 17,700 हम लोग लो देख सकते हैं which is actually quite low 17,576 so अगर आपने वीकेंड का एपिसोड देखा होता then I had basically said that the range in my view that is expected, and I'll go to the 60-minute chart for this, is somewhere around this. So ये वाला जो एरिया था, ये वाला जो जोन था, okay, write this here 17,500 के आसपास, that is the range that I was expecting, and again gap के हिसाब से, and then we did see support taken here somewhere around here. So we saw this was an important level here, and then we also saw some resistance from the same level here, और वही जोन आज भी सपोर्ट दिया और एक घंटे में in 1 hour we saw 155 points. If you're curious where I'm getting that information, here 1 hour 155 points, right? That's massive. बहुत ज़्यादा है वो, हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि कितना ज़्यादा है. अगर मैं 5 मिनट चार्ट कर दूँ फटाफट से जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट डे टुडे, then we can see this is what it looks like. So overall स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग देख सकते थे कि इंट्राडे का जो सेंटिमेंट था वो काफ़ी वो काफ़ी नेगेटिव जैसा था, सेलिंग प्रेशर था डेफिनेटली. वी कैन सी, राइट, वी कैन सी हियर दैट इट वाज quite intense in terms of selling pressure. And then somewhere around here, okay, in some of these candles only, we saw it really breaking out. And then, it just took off, which is great to see. So if we do the daily chart, this is what the end result of all of those candles looks like. So हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि लो से काफ़ी रिकवर किया था, which is a good sign. Moving averages and all would really not be that important in today's session, but I believe it's somewhere around the 20 moving average. So I'll just show you the 20 moving average. I'll have to enable it. And this is a life hack, okay? This is a life hack. If you want more indicators on your TradingView free account, you can try this. But then again, you did not hear it from me. You can, do it at your own risk. Trading, you can stop this practice at any time. So this is what we are seeing. Around 20 MA के आसपास है, but the other moving averages are far, far off. Next up is Bank Nifty. बैंक निफ्टी हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि बैंक निफ्टी भी 20 MA के आसपास आया था, but then it wasn't really that close on the same time. So ultimately it did close below 38,000, but still I think it's a fairly good move considering कि ये previous all time high जो था, ये वाला, this was the previous all time high, उससे ऊपर क्लोज किया and bank nifty is actually recovered a lot. So if we want to see how much it's recovered, we can do the 60-minute chart, and then we can just drag and drop. So if you're wondering how I drag and drop here, so you press the shift key, you click, and then you can see कितना recover किया था. It recovered 2% or 700 points, which is a lot, right? 700 point bank nifty पे is amazing. You just multiply that by the lot size, and that is how much, in theory, you could have earned, or anyone could have earned in a future trade. Again, in theory, practically speaking, काफी different होता है. So I'm just making sure everyone understands that. And this is what it looks like on the 5 minute chart. So this candle itself, थोड़ा सा हो गया. This candle itself, it was a Maru Bozu candle था, which shows tremendous momentum and buying. And उसके बाद it really just went up straight ahead is what we can see. Otherwise, similar structure when compared to Nifty. So that's what we're seeing in terms of levels. So for बैंक निफ्टी लेवल्स हम लोग देख सकते हैं 37,700 का जो लेवल है, that's pretty important right here. And for resistances, possibly yesterday's intraday zones should be important in my view. uh, and yeah, I mean, उसके अलावा I don't think there's much to be said. Market high पे है, एकदम यूफोरिया जैसा ही है considering कितना V shape recovery आया है. So let's see how that goes. In terms of Nifty levels, we've already spoken about it. So this gap somewhere around here is a good support in my view, and the resistances would possibly come in around the all-time high level के आसपास. सो वो देखते हैं कैसा आता है. अगेन 17900 के ऊपर है. सो there's still some way to go on the daily chart, but on the smaller time frames better idea आ सकता है. Coming to Reliance and the other top stocks. Okay, Reliance fairly good candle I'd say, up around 1%. But एक चीज़ है, जब भी मार्केट नीचे जाता है, then Reliance has this tendency to just not go down. I don't know why. It's obviously a fleeting thought or a random observation, but you can notice this whenever you want to. That Reliance generally does not go completely in tandem with Nifty. Obviously, highest weightage hai, but that does not mean that it completely mimics the moves. So you could check that out sometime. And speaking of checking things out, so I recently started taking FX webinars for XM, and recently started मतलब पहला webinar 5th October को है. So if you want to learn more about FX, feel free. This is me, KR. So feel free to join. You can go on xm.com/Hindi or hyphen webinars, and you can check that out. So yeah, looking forward. Now coming back to the top stocks. ठीक है, टॉप स्टॉक्स पे आते हैं. वापस एच डी एफ सी बैंक इज अ वेरी वेरी वियर्ड कैंडल वी कैन सी हियर टुडे, एंड वी कैन सी कितना रिकवर किया था उसने. सो आई जस्ट डू, एंड वी कैन सी इट रिकवर्ड अराउंड 2%. वेरी मैसिव नंबर ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज कल परसों जो बड़ा मूव आया था, जो बिग ग्रीन कैंडल था, वो 2% का था. उसके पहले वाले दिन पे भी अराउंड 2% का बिग मूव था. सो वी कैन दैट रियली पुट्स थिंग्स इनटू पर्सपेक्टिव दैट अ 2% मूव, it happened intraday as a recovery, which is a big thing, and that's why obviously Bank Nifty was able to recover 700 points. Coming to Infosys पे आज drawings उतने काम नहीं आएंगे, 1744 और सब levels नहीं, because we can see it's at 50 MA, 50 daily moving average. That's important. The last time it was around this level was on 2nd June. That's quite some time away, right? बहुत टाइम हो गया उससे उसको. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर सीइंग इन्फोसिस में अराउंड कितना 4 महीने हो गए उसको. सो दैट्स प्रीटी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट अप वी आर लुकिंग एट एच डी एफ सी, एंड वी कैन सी 20 MA के ऊपर क्लोज किया है, विच इज़ अ गुड साइन. एंड देन अगेन वी कैन सी दैट रिकवरी फ्रॉम लोअर लेवल्स was around 1.5% or so. It's again a solid number, I would say, all things considered. आईसीआईसीआई बैंक अराउंड अगेन 50 MA के आसपास ही आया था, और उससे बाउंस अप हुआ है. And even though it's down around 1.76% today, EOD it was rather intraday it was able to recover 1.4%, which is again a sizable number. Next, Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is the sort of shocker today because it's up, and it has created an all time high, and it has closed at that all time high, which is very interesting to see here for Kotak Bank. We'll get the fibs here, and this is what the fibs show us. A sustained close above 2050 is something that we've spoken about earlier also, कि अगर ये किया तो काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ हो जाएगी, and that's what we are seeing. एंड कोटक बैंक भी इंट्राडे गया था नीचे. हम लोग एक्चुअली 5 मिनट चार्ट देख लेते हैं फटाफट से, जस्ट टू सी द एक्सप्लोजन, एंड you can see how insane it is, right? So I'll just show you the recovery that it made, and it was a 3% recovery or 60 points, which is massive. It's a lot, right? It's a lot. So good to see that happening, considering that I hold Kotak Bank. And next up we have SBI. SBI अभी उधर वही लेवल पे अटका है, 20 में है, इधर नीचे 435 का लेवल है, ये सॉर्ट ऑफ सैंडविच करके बैठा है. अगर हम लोग लाइन चार्ट देखते हैं, then we'll get a better idea of how it's just moving within this range itself. So that's what we're seeing here. And finally, Axis Bank आता है. It took support from 780 intraday, 778 being the low. And that is where we are at right now. In terms of the swing positions, several were shared in the weekly analysis video. You can check that out. In fact, Maruti was also a trade idea that was shared by UR. And I hope you are watching UR's analysis also. So, alternate day hota hai. One day UR does it, one day KR does it, and yeah, that's how it goes. Let me know how you feel about the UR analysis and the KR analysis, and that will help me a lot. So that's about it for this one. See you in the next. Happy trading.